Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 11i with a broken display, and check this out. No power also. We're gonna start off by testing the charging of this device to see if the battery is okay. But it seems to me that the battery has been drained. And of course, David has to correct the label on this one. You have to be very professional on this video. So we're gonna try to troubleshoot that first. The power. Maybe the smartphone has been in the drawer for quite a few days and it's now very drained. We're gonna take this back cover off. Very strong adhesive, but very manageable. No need for us to use the alcohol or WD-40. We're gonna remove this connector for the display. And here's the replacement display. We're gonna test it out to see if we can see anything. First test. Nope. We're gonna try to recharge it. Connecting the charger. Still no reaction. Another charger. Gonna try to power it on. And now we're gonna troubleshoot it further. We're gonna try to remove the battery and then put it back in again. The connector that is. So this one is the shroud for the main board, and here you can see the connector for the battery. Take it out, then put it back in again, just to reset the electronics. And then we're going to try to recharge it for quite a bit of time. Nothing still. And after some time, the battery is now being charged. No problem with the charging port. It's just really that drained. So this Xiaomi has been unused for quite some time, or maybe it has been drained to 0%. So we're gonna try to get back this motherboard shroud so that we don't accidentally put more damage on the main board, which is more expensive than replacing the display. Fortunately for us, we don't need to remove this electronics inside the Xiaomi Mi 11i to replace the display. We're just still gonna recharge this. The phone is really trying to boot up, and there it is, the Mi logo. It's really trying to boot up, but it seems to be stuck on that boot loop because of course it needs sufficient battery to boot up, and now it's here at 4%. Everything seems to be fine. We're gonna proceed now to the full disassembly. 4%. Very good news. Let's power this off and then remove the replacement display and start scraping off this old display to give space for the new one. You can use a bit of force to make this quicker because we won't be needing the old display anyway. Along the way, we're creating more damage to the glass. That's okay. Just make sure you're not gonna be injured if you're gonna do this yourself. And by the way, if you want to DIY this is kind of easy repair, relatively easy. If you want to replace only the display, if you want to replace the battery, you can be doing additional steps on top of these steps. Fresh glue. We have cleared this of the old adhesives. We're gonna put some fresh glue on the side and then get the replacement display and install it. We're going to position it on top of the frame, slowly position it, then there you go, press it in. It's that easy. Then the connector for the display is just one connection, and then we're gonna reassemble everything back together. So this is the cover for the daughter board at the bottom, and it's quite easy. But if you don't want the hassle to do it yourself, the Xiaomi Mi 11i repair, head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center, and as you have seen, there's a lot of troubleshooting necessary to revive your old smartphone or broken smartphone. So if you want nothing of the hassle, head on to your local repair center or head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center and let David do the job for you. And look at this. It's like it's never been touched. It looks brand new. Rubber bands to let the glue cure, and then we're gonna be good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for joining. Until next time, with David here in Sydney CBD Repair Center. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.